Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pan in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all we need to do is just to start cropping our image and then we can start panning the image. And basically, we can do that from or through like right clicking on the image. So you can do that also for the videos, etc. So from here, you will have this crop and zoom, crop to fit, etc. And you will also have it from here. And basically, you can either click like that, and from here you will have like these presets, etc. And basically, you can also use the shortcuts that we can see here, like the Alt plus C. And basically, we can just simply click on the image of the object, Alt plus C, and from here you can start like cropping your image. So basically here you will be able to start cropping, and also here you will have like pan and zoom. You can like start whenever you want, and basically you will have it like that. And the end, you can like choose the end, and basically it will be like that, and it will start like zooming on this center. You can like choose the start. For example, you want to have it from here, so we can, for example, start from here and we will be ending from here. So I'm just going to choose something like that, and basically it will be something similar to this. And you can like start like controlling whatever you like in this footage. So you can either like have a whole image, and basically for the start you want to have just some slight animation, and basically you can also see how it looks. You can do that with the videos, you can use it with audios, you can also include the frame that you would like. So let's just include only the apple, etc. So after you finish, and let's just like have some slight movement, as you can see it will go from left to right, etc. So then you apply, and basically you will start seeing it in here. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.